jellyfish, there are over 2,000 species of jellyfish in the world. Jellyfish don't have brain, bones, eyes, or a heart.
Number 9.
Manta rays. Manta rays are a type of fish that live in tropical waters. Their diet includes shrimp, small fish, and plankton. Number 8. Seahorse. A seahorse is a type of fish. Its name comes from having a head that looks like a horse's head. A baby seahorse is called a fry. Number 7. Pufferfish. A pufferfish gets puffed up to scare away other animals and to defend themselves. Number 6. Clownfish. There are 30 species of clownfish. They are able to live in sea anemones, which are poisonous. Number 5. Great white shark. Great white sharks are super swimmers and can eat seals, sea lions, fish, and even small whales. Number 4. Octopus. An octopus does not have a skeleton. Their body is super flexible. They have blue blood and can taste with their suckers. Number 3. Dolphins. Dolphins are not fish. They are marine mammals. They use a blowhole to breathe and are carnivores. Number 2. Sea turtles. There are different types of sea turtles, and they live in the world's oceans. Many are endangered. Number 1. Whale shark. This is the biggest fish in the world. They are harmless to humans and eat plankton. Let's learn about the coolest forest animals for kids.
Number 10.
Great horned owl. This is the largest owl in North America. They hunt at night for animals such as mice, rabbits, and squirrels, and they have great night vision. Number 9. Deer. There are about 60 types of deer. Males are called stag or buck. A female deer is called a doe, and a baby deer is called a fawn.
Number 8.
Raccoon. Raccoons are mammals. They are curious and clever. Raccoons are omnivores and they are very smart.
Number 7.
Beaver. Beavers are a type of rodent known for building dams on rivers and streams. They are herbivores and their teeth do not stop growing. Number 6. Cougar. Cougars are also known as pumas. These predators live in North America. Cougars cannot roar, but instead hiss, growl, or purr. Number 5. Bald eagle. The bald eagle is a bird of prey that lives in North America. It can fly very fast and they eat mostly fish.
Number 4.
Moose. A moose is a large deer, and they live in areas with lakes, marshes, and swamps. They can weigh over 1,000 pounds. Number 3.
Brown bear.
Brown bears are omnivores, and they are apex predators. They have long, thick fur, strong teeth, and very large claws. Number 2. Wolf. Wolves live in groups called packs. They are carnivores and how to talk to each other. And number 1.
Wolverine. The wolverine is a ferocious predator. It is the largest member of the weasel family.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Number 10. Polar bear. Polar bear cubs are born blind and very small. They can climb trees and mimic their mother. Number 9. Giraffe. Baby giraffes are called calves. At birth, they are already 5 to 6 feet tall. They can walk after just 1 hour of being born. Number 8. Ducks. Baby ducks are called ducklings. They imprint on their mother shortly after birth, which means they learn to follow her only. Number 7. Koala. A baby koala is called a joey. Koalas are marsupials. They stay in the mother's pouch for about 7 months.
Number 6.
Turtles. Baby turtles are called hatchlings. It can take up to 60 days for turtle eggs to hatch. Number 5. Chicks. Baby chicks are adorable and fun-loving. They grow very fast, are very smart, and can recognize their mother's voice. Number 4.
Foal. A foal is a baby horse under the age of 1. They are playful, curious, and full of energy. Number 3.
Bunnies. A baby bunny is called a kit. They are mammals and their teeth never stop growing. Number 2. Kittens. Kittens are born blind and deaf. Until about 2 weeks after birth, they have a great sense of smell and hearing. And number 1. Puppies. Puppies are also born blind and deaf. They need a lot of sleep. Puppies are very curious and playful. you.